A road accident happens in an instant, but its legal aftermath can last for years. When a life is lost on Nigerian roads, it triggers a complex series of investigations and legal requirements. Today, we will walk through the essential procedures every Nigerian should know, from the first responders at the scene to the final steps for seeking justice and compensation. Our aim is to help you understand the law and know what to do if you ever find yourself in such a situation. The first officials to handle a fatal crash are typically the Federal Road Safety Corps and the Nigeria Police. Their role is twofold: immediate crisis management and long-term evidence gathering. They secure the scene, help survivors, and crucially, begin investigating the cause. Whether it was a bus tire, excessive speed, or an illegal obstruction like a stationary truck, their findings are recorded in a police accident report. If you are a witness or family member, remember that the emergency number is 122. Ensure that the scene is not disturbed, as this report will be the most critical document for every legal step that follows. Whenever a death is sudden, violent, or unnatural, Nigerian law requires a coroner's inquest. This is a judicial inquiry, not a criminal trial. Its goal is to establish the facts: how, when, and where the victim died. As part of this, a mandatory autopsy must be performed by a qualified pathologist. We understand that this can be a difficult time for families, and it often leads to delays in burial. However, these steps are legally required to certify the cause of death. A coroner's verdict can eventually provide the evidence needed to push for a criminal prosecution or a civil claim. Killing someone in a road accident, even unintentionally, is a crime under Nigerian law. If investigation shows gross negligence, the driver may be charged with dangerous driving causing death under the Federal Highways Act. This carries a prison term of up to 7 years. In more extreme cases of recklessness, a prosecutor might pursue involuntary manslaughter, which carries a maximum of life imprisonment. These trials take place in the state high court. The state's goal is to hold the negligent party accountable and deter others from dangerous conduct on our highways. While the state handles the criminal case, the victim's family has a separate right to seek financial compensation through a civil suit under the Fatal Accident Law. It is important to understand that Nigerian law focuses on pecuniary loss. This means compensation is calculated based on the actual financial support the deceased provided to their family, not emotional grief. This is a harsh reality. Claims are often stronger for family breadwinners than for non-earners. Be mindful of the clock. You generally have a 3-year window from the date of the accident to file this claim. Every vehicle on our roads is legally required to carry third-party insurance. This ensures that at least 1 million naira is available for liability payout to victims. However, we know that many vehicles remain uninsured. To address this, the Nigerian Insurance Industry Reform Act of 2025 introduced a Road Accident Victims Compensation Fund. This fund provides up to 2 million naira for medical or injury compensation in cases of hit and runs or uninsured drivers. Families should always request the insurance details of the at-fault vehicle from the police as soon as possible. To conclude, here are 4 practical steps for families seeking justice. First, secure your official records. You need that police report and the coroner's verdict. Second, consult a qualified lawyer. Many will work on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your claim. Third, approach the at-fault party's insurer with a formal demand letter. Finally, stay engaged with the criminal trial to ensure the case is handled earnestly. While no amount of money or legal victory can bring back a loved one, these steps ensure that your family is protected and that the rule of law is upheld on our roads. Drive safe and stay informed. We hope you have enjoyed this video. To continue to see videos which analyze the legal side of everyday situations in Nigeria, please hit the subscribe button.